and today I have the opportunity to talk about Discovery Flight. So first and foremost, book the Discovery Flight. You'll meet the instructor in dispatch, get to know each other. We'll take you out to the aircraft and introduce you to our newly equipped ACG 1000 Piper Archers, and just kind of get a feel for what you're going to be flying, right? Again, it might be your first time flying in a small aircraft, so to have that comfort is super important. We'll go up, I'll take the takeoff, and once we get to a cruise altitude, I'll let you have controls, and that's really where the fun starts as far as yourself flying. About an hour flight just to see if you're in love or not with flying. That hour is going to go towards your 1,500 hours. The 1,500 hours is needed to go to a regional airliner. And so it's cool. You're not only having the time of your life, first time in an aircraft, but you're also paying that hour towards what could be your goal in a new career or career itself. For a Discovery Flight, we're just going up. We're doing the basic maneuvers, climb, ascents, descents, turns, basic stuff. So it's nothing crazy in the airplane. It's just there for you to get comfortable in a small aircraft. We're looking outside, looking at the scenery. A lot of times, it's your first time in a small aircraft, so you're really excited. At cruise altitude, I'll hand over the controls to you. Just a reminder, there are two yokes, right? Yoke is like a steering wheel in a car, so if anything, you can pass over the controls to the CFI, and if it's not for you, that is totally fine. But a lot of times, about 99% of the time, you're gonna fall in love and you're gonna ask for controls the whole time. And so from there, right, we'll get back down and issue you your new logbook and log that hour towards your 1,500 hours. I would say eating wouldn't be a problem. As far as, you're going up, it's not like going on a boat where it's rocky and rolly and stuff. If you are prone to getting motion sickness, I would say maybe taking like a ginger pill would be an ideal thing. In the summer, it's more prevalent for it to get a little bit on the rougher side, just with some of the convective turbulence from the heat in the buildings here in Addison. But as we go out into the east practice area, you're over a lot of fields and lakes. We'll climb to an altitude where it's nice and smooth, and that's where I'll hand over controls to you and go from there. So you're going up with a certified flight instructor. This is what we do every day, multiple times a day. And it's really cool. It's full circle for us. In the program, we're it's a strategic plan, right? We have every lesson already planned out. So for Discovery Flight, for an instructor's point of view, it's fun. It's good to see, again, we're just going full circle. We were there just not too long ago. So to have the opportunity to share the sky and just have fun, right? That's the whole purpose of the Discovery Flight, is to go up there and see if you like it and just have fun, see what it's like. So it is very safe, especially in our new aircraft. We just got 4 last week. So all of our airplanes are within 2 years old with a full maintenance team here at Thrust Flight. And so I would say we're one of the safest schools. So after the Discovery Flight, right, it's there for you to gauge your own interest in flying, whether you want to become a student here at Thrust Flight or go on your own path, and that's Part 61, getting your private pilot and license and flying your family or whatever it may be. That's we give that opportunity for you to fly with us and hopefully fall in love. If you're still watching this video and you want to book a Discovery Flight, give your local flight school a call.